Guys, I am giving Robux to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those things, and let's get into the video. Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you some Blue Lock Rivals codes working in 2025. These are by far the best currently working codes, and you can get free lucky spins in Blue Lock Rivals simply by applying this code in game. So I'm going to be running through the steps that you're going to need to take, and it only takes a few minutes to do this, guys, and trust me when I say these are the best working Blue Lock Rivals codes. So let's get into the tutorial, and before I get into it, guys, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe for more tutorials like this. So as you can see, I've got my mobile phone here. I've opened up the internet browser and I'm heading on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So it's very important you spell it correctly. Cold coupons. So you can pause the video and copy this down, but it's pretty easy to spell, guys. And you're going to be greeted by this home page, and I'm just going to scroll through here, and you can see they have hundreds and hundreds of different codes for loads of different things. So I'm just going to use the search bar where it says search here and type in there Blue Lock Rivals, and it should pop up like predictive search here. So click on that page, and this page contains all of the available Blue Lock Rivals codes. Now there's 2 verified codes, and as you can see, they are super popular with over 130 people using them today. Over 9,000 5-star ratings. So I'm just going to give it 5-star as well. And you can get a Blue Lock Rivals code for 1 million free cash. And this is the code that pretty much everyone uses, guys. This is a Blue Lock Rivals code for 1,000 free lucky spins in Blue Lock Rivals. So if you want this code, you just click on get code. You can see these are limited, but this is a code for Blue Lock Rivals that's going to get 1,000 lucky spins for free. And these are working in 2025. Okay guys, so basically because these are limited codes, you can see there's 391 codes left. You need to unlock your personal code. You can see the code is hidden here, and this prevents people who actually create robots to steal these Blue Lock Rivals codes. Obviously 1,000 lucky spins is pretty desirable. So I've already done this, and you can only get 1 code per person. But what you're going to need to do is click on get full code, and you're going to see a new screen. It's going to tell you how to unlock your code. It's going to take you a few minutes, guys, but it is completely free and super easy. Just complete a couple of the free tasks, and if you do everything correctly, your code will be unlocked. So the full code will be revealed in this box. You can redeem it in Blue Lock Rivals, and that is going to get you 1,000 free lucky spins. Really easy. Just head on over to Cold Coupons. If you need any help or have any questions, leave a comment in the comment section below. Drop a like on this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.